Here's a quick tutorial on how you can take notes on your slide deck. Not including the title slide, there are 3 slides. Each slide has its own problem. On the bottom right-hand corner, there is a video of me walking you step by step through the notes. Whenever you play it, if you want to make it larger, you have 2 options. You have the full screen option, but then you're not going to be able to see your notes on your slide deck. And then there's the option to view on YouTube. If you click that one, you can pull it up in a new tab or even a new window, and then you can have your notes and your slide deck side by side. To take your notes, all you have to do is click on one of the gray boxes. You can type in your notes, and these are your notes, so you can do what you want with them. If you don't like this color, you can just highlight it and change it. If you want to italicize it, you can do that. You can underline it. You can put a highlight on it. It's whatever you want to do. These are your notes. On the last problem, there is a link for Desmos Graphing Calculator. So if you just click on that, a link will pop up. You can follow that link to the Desmos Graphing Calculator to complete your problem. These notes do not need to be submitted to me in Schoology. These are your notes. You will have access to them in your drive. You might want to double check the name of your file. And if you want to move it to a certain folder, you can do that with this button right here. Have fun taking your digital notes.